Imagine owning a newer move-in ready home in one of Newark's most desirable neighborhoods, perfect for the first-time buyers or those wanting to downsize. Stay tuned to discover why the Bayshore Gateway area is the ultimate spot for your dream starter home. My name is Spencer Su, and I'm a Bay Area native and local real estate team leader. We've helped over 300 families in the last 6 years successfully with their moves, and we love to showcase the best things of the Bay Area. Our team will be more than happy to help navigate you for the best options available. First off, let's talk about the location itself. Newark as a city is very desirable because it is right across the Dumbarton Bridge to get to major employers like Meta in Menlo Park and Google in Mountain View. It is also part of the Tri-City of Fremont, Newark, and Union City. Outside of work, which is the prime reason why people choose to be here, I also want to point out the notable things in the area like where we're at, which is Lakeshore Park. Now, this is a 10-minute drive from the farthest edge of Bayshore Gateway, but this park is beautiful. Even the midday right now, you'll see a lot of people walking around and enjoying the beautiful sunny days here. Nearby, you also have great outdoor spots, including Don Edwards, San Francisco Bay National Wildlife Refuge, and Coyote Hills Regional Park. Now, what about places to shop and dine? This area is 15 minutes from the Pacific Commons Shopping Center, the Costco in Fremont, Target, and Lowe's. It is also only 10 minutes from New Park Mall, along with an AMC theater right attached to it. In high school, I personally had summer jobs here, hanging up and folding clothes when there was a Sears long time ago. Now that you know why this area is so desirable, we're gonna zoom into this particular neighborhood of Newark called Bayshore Gateway. Here is how this neighborhood is broken down. In the northern part of the neighborhood, you have older single-family homes ranging between typically 47 to 78 years old. Homes are between 3 to 5 bedrooms, ranging from 1,080 square feet to 1,968 square feet. As you move more closer to the water, you see the age of homes along with the size change. These homes were built between 21 to 31 years old and range from 1,714 square feet to as big as a whopping 3,634 square feet. Now, last but not least are a large group of new condos, townhomes, and single family, which is where I'm at right now. These are built in the last 8 years and are in the far east parts of the neighborhood. Homes here can range from a smaller 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo to a 5-bedroom, 2,886 square foot home. Now that you have an idea of the homes in this area, let's go take a look at one of my latest listings, as we have one of the most affordable entry-level homes here, which is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,461 square foot condo built in 2022, listed at $999,000. Let's go inside and check out what you can get. I want to highlight some of my favorite things about this unit. Number one, check out this huge kitchen space. Look at the space on this countertop. I mean, you have easily 4 people that can sit here and have their fantastic dining while the chef is doing their cooking. But if that's not it, take a look on that side over there. You have tons of cabinet space for your storage. But we're still not done. Even in this place itself, you got a walk-in pantry right around the corner. This is one of the largest kitchens you will find, period. For those cooks at home, even though this is a newer place, you still got a gas burner, which a lot of people greatly appreciate. The second thing I love about this place is take a look at this beautiful balcony. Right up top over there, you can see some of the beautiful mountains that we have of the Bay Area. And the third thing that I like about this the most is these huge, spacious bedrooms. Easily, you can fit a king-size bed, plus a separate office workstation, and you got a beautiful walk-in closet. On top of that, you got a dual sink vanity with a large shower stall. You also have a shower bench, which is something that you see for some of these newer construction homes that are not available for the older ones. So there you have it, the Bayshore Gateway in Newark, California, a neighborhood that's got it all. These waterfront vibes and a prime location. Whether you're buying, selling, or just exploring, I'd love to help you navigate this amazing market. Hit that subscribe button for more local real estate insights and reach out at 408-547-4590 to go over a game plan of your real estate goals. See you soon.